chose the Iowa Precision line. We had one, we've had it working for 20 years, and it really worked out well. We really looked into all our options, and the technology with Iowa was just superior.
My name is Kevin Gill. I'm president of McCusker Gill Incorporated. We're a sheet metal contractor in the Boston area. We have been strictly a sheet metal subcontractor for 25 years. Our business model changed significantly 3 or 4 years ago when we really started taking manifolding to the next level. We were drastically outgrowing our existing facility, which is just a half a mile down the road. It was about 30,000 square feet. So I had made the decision. We looked for a couple of years and we found this building, which is 60,000 feet. So the last thing I had in my mind when I started this was that I'd be buying a new coil line. That I can assure you. And I'll tell you the reason why is I bought the line from Iowa 16 years ago. We really maintained it well. It was a workhorse for us. We ran an awful lot of pounds. There were years we did 5 million pounds. And we had had such good luck with the machine over the years. And it was coming with me. I was attached to it to some degree. It enabled us to bring the company to a whole new level. So I guess, you know, I might have been a little superstitious in that regard, that I didn't want, it had been so good to me, it was coming with me. When we were reviewing what Iowa had available to us, there were some things that obviously caught our interest. The bigger things that jumped out at us was the ability to do the plasma cutters, because that really dovetailed with what we were trying to do manifolding-wise really well. The ability to also have the 14-foot transfer tables. We also went on to buy the dual head, so we have it right around the corner. We think we manufacture pipe very, very efficiently. It's in now, and we're thrilled. It's just, it's fantastic. We're able to manufacture a product more efficiently. The product is slightly better, but honestly, our product before was very, very good. You know, we're just more efficient. That's the biggest change in all of this. And you know, it's our business model is changing. It's bringing more of the field work is happening in the shop.